Alright, it's Doovie. You know, I'm at Highland waiting for my brother. Sun's in my eye, but I figured that's how you can see me, so I'll leave it there. You know, he's at Highland, and it just came from church, and there's this song I was thinking about, and I was like, why not? Just sing it. So it just goes something like, exceedingly, abundantly, above all you could ask or think, according to the power that worketh in you, you and me. Oh God, my God is able to do just what He said He would do. And He's gonna fulfill every promise to you. Don't give up on God, 'cause He won't give up on you. He's able. Just something I was thinking. It's a song I'm feeling. So if you like it, thank you, and see you soon.